We have to start with that. Look, we got Old Man Consequences. Wait, what happened to my other endings? Did I only get the security ending? That's weird. Think for this one. Oh, well, this means okay. If you forgot your team, it's this. But I can't believe I got one time Foxy. Remember last time that we got the Old Man, the fishing ending or whatever it's called? The fisherman ending? So we have to go through this. Oh my gosh. Yes! Well, that went quickly. Do not go into the secret place. I might skip this. Finally made it, and it actually wasn't that confusing for it. Like, to get the ending that we got, it's more complicated than actually getting through. Let's go in. Oh yeah, there's loading. Virtua Freddy. I thought it was Virtual Freddy. Okay. Ta-da! This is where we are. I'm gonna click the button. Okay, are we able to defeat... Wait. I think we move more faster. That's loud. We have got 2 healers. Go! Pork patch. I was gonna say that this is going well, but it's going horrible. Yeah! That was easier. It took us 1 minute! It took us 1 minute! Pork patch, it took us like 6... A lot. Okay, now where? I'm not gonna talk to Fredbear until we get Fredbear. Cause I want that ending. I've never got it before. Dogs! Actually... Okay, found the next lock. Boom. Okay, how do I get into there? I wonder. How do I get into there? Hello, Henry. So it's a vicious cycle, you know? But then most things in life are the pendulum, whatever that is, swings one way, then it swings the other. Henry, what do you want? Now we return to the darkness. Something terrible is coming. Baby, come back later. Maybe I will tell you more. That's when we destroy the rainbow, I'm pretty sure. Now let's leave. Okay, I just got this in, but everything was going wrong. What? He's been insta-killing everyone. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Oh, I forgot I was recording. Let's go. Let's go. No money. A snowman using no money. Like, no money. No moolah. Click that. 3, 2. Wait, is that all the buttons? There's 2 left. Please. Please be a challenger. 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 Come on. Challenger. Challenger. No challenger. We need Freddy Fred. 2 other buttons, but where? What? 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 What just happened? I don't know. Auto chipper, why not? I like the. That was super quick. What does he give me? Oh, 300? Why not? Why not? It's free 300 XP. Why not? Ooh, red chest thingy. How do I get into... Finally! These peoples. Okay, we need gift boxes. Some cupcake into these, because these guys are just like pieces of coding. That was wrong. Okay, red chest, Wait, how do I get there? Fourth wall. Like kills everyone. Yeah, but I even have fourth wall. It sucks so much. How do I get to the red chest? I really couldn't get the red chest. Some music, celebrate the win. I want a challenger. I keep on forgetting I'm recording. Fine, let's do it. For the XP. For the XP. Fudge. Switch. Trying to keep 3 healers leveled up. I'll try to find some characters. Technical difficulties. I was supposed to like get into the key. 3, 2, 1. Super. Oh my gosh. Yes. That mostly was my bites. 3 UFOs. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Now I've got just 1. But I'm gonna do some character hunting. I only got 1 character and that's Nightmare. I've been playing so much and I haven't got him. I don't know where the last button is. There wasn't a button here. Is that the problem? That's just Makai playing upstairs playing Fortnite. I don't think I should be going this way. Black Trap. And if you have suggested ways on how to like get other electronics, link them in the comments below. But I've searched everything I can, like the Find Parties chip and Fun Wheel Circus. Pinwheel Circus. Lakai, can you be a little quieter? Yeah, he's playing Fortnite. Fortle Gluggle. Fortle Nidle. Cosmic Sonal. I really don't know what to do. Should we just talk to him? This is it, the path to the game's security. Okay, a shield ability. You won't survive without it. We might try to kill the security system and then do this stuff. Well, we'll tell you a secret. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, can you like leave me alone? Guys, I found where the final thing is. Went into the glitch mode and I was able to find it. The last button. Then we'll get the security ending on this and then we can redo the series. Oh wow, this is unexpected. I've only got a minute left, so maybe I'll skip some to end the video because I really want to fight this boss right here and I got to it. Cut. Overclock. Don't mind that screaming. Just ignore it. Sorry that I always have these in my videos. Boom. As the path is through, I'm gonna end it right now, so good. Bye! We got a lot today.